Avon Towers is 125 units. It largely houses seniors and disabled folks here in Rochester Hills, Michigan. We wanted to preserve the affordability of the property so residents could enjoy truly affordable housing in such an amazing community in Michigan.
We love when people invest in their projects, and it improves the experience for the residents living here and also the future residents. And so anytime a company like Related or others invest in our city, it's a big win for Rochester Hills.
Our primary goals with regard to the key improvements at Avon Towers were first improving unit conditions, and then improving common areas for resident comfort and enjoyment, and finally improving building systems to make sure the property truly is built to function for the long term.
I think the Related company were outstanding in their performance of reconstructing everything. It's just amazing, the transformation of the whole building.
The renovation feels very homey. I love my kitchen the best because I love to cook, and I love the new countertops. They're fabulous.
Outside, the patio is just fabulous. Next summer, we'll be able to have picnics and stuff, and benches and chairs, and the fire pit. They're all wonderful for evening conversations with my neighbors and my friends.
We also partnered with a local nonprofit, Adapt, to redo the planting areas.
This partnership was a really great opportunity to live up to Adapt's mission and bring native plants to people who would really appreciate them.
I'm just so thankful. All the time, I'm thanking people for what they did here. I feel like I got an entirely new apartment out of this whole renovation, and it makes me proud, and I keep it nice and clean and tidy because I'm so happy to show it off.